How to fix Facebook upload a photo ID on your Facebook account. Today guys, I'm gonna show you and share with you how to fix this problem. Just watch this video until the end. So let's start. First, you will just open settings of your phone, then you will go directly to apps or application, then you will scroll down and go and search for Facebook, and when you found it guys, just open it like this and go to storage, and on storage go to clear data, click on clear data, then click OK, and that's it, your problem will fixed. So that's it guys, I hope this video is useful for you. Do not forget to like, also subscribe in our channel, and see you in another videos.